Hey guys, a little windy today. Sorry if it's too loud for you. Not my intention. Anyway, I wanted to show you a machine I use all the time. Absolutely love it. I think it's great. Let me get you turned around right here. So this, for those of you who don't know, is a John Deere 35G mini excavator. And this thing is absolutely the cat's pajamas. It's small, gets in tight spaces, pretty powerful. Obviously it's tracked so it doesn't get bogged down in the mud. It's enclosed cab, which I really love. When it's like 100 degrees outside, I can turn on the AC, or when it's 0 degrees outside, I can turn on the heat. But the thing's an absolute workhorse to be had. I really like it because it's under 10,000 pounds, so I can tow it on a 3/4 ton truck. It's made by American company John Deere, which is probably owned by a Chinese company. I can't remember their name, but anyway, this machine's great. One of my favorite features about it is this thing right here. It's called a grapple. I call it the thumb, and I can use that to pinch and pick up logs. As you can see, there's a little log right there. That's going to go away, and back over there, I'm going to get into trenching. And I got to knock down some little small bushes, and I moved some trees that are down so I can trench a water line, and do some other work over there. And this is the machine I'm going to be using primarily for it, but it's just great. It's got the dozer blade on it. It's got a great strong arm. That thing's great. The enclosed cab is great. It's powerful. It runs on diesel. It's quiet, and it's absolutely a joy to use. If you ever want to know more about them, John Deere would be more than happy to have you come and take a drive with them, come test them out. Here's a picture of the inside of the cab. Pretty standard controls there, left and right, and then down on the floor for the tracks and stuff like that. But yeah, this is a machine I don't know, I can't say enough about it to tell you how much I love it. The amount of work that I can do with this machine in one day is dangerous. I can dig so big of a hole that I can't get out of it. I've done all kinds of stuff with this. I pick up, drop septic tanks in place with it, do all of the excavation for the septic fields. I'll be doing some drainage tile here on this site, as well as trenching the new water line in for it and clearing out a site for a small trailer so we can come back with gravel. And this thing just does work all day, every day. It's pretty new. It's got about 1,000 hours on it. As far as mini excavators go, that's in the low end. They usually run somewhere in the neighborhood of maybe 6,000 or 7,000 hours before they start to throw problems, before the fixing them just gets to be more expensive than the buying a new one. So in that sense, they are theoretically disposable, but this thing is just amazing. I've worked on it at night because it's got lights on it. You see those lights up there? Those help me see down in the hole. I've pushed dirt around and cleared sites and picked up heavy stuff and dropped septic tanks and demolished septic tanks, and it's just great. It fits on the back of the truck, trailer truck. Go with this thing, dig anywhere, all the time. Anyway, so yeah, this is the John Deere 35G. Go check one out at John Deere if you want to see what they're like. There are other companies that make ones that are comparable. This is just the one we happen to have. Anyway, that's what I got. Bye.